Civic EX. I know most of you say, oh, it ain't shit. It's not a brand new car. It's not a brand new radio. But it is a brand new plug. And we're gonna hook up an old radio for now, just to get something in it. Somebody took the other radio out. Creo que ahí tengo tape. Some ghetto tools of the trade, but I'm missing something. Hold on. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't. Quiero ver. Okay. Da-da-da. Looks like a good spot for a digital voltmeter, huh? Yes, it is. Very nice. Very, very nice. Huh. Possibilities with this car. Set up my really cool workbench right here. Got the schematics. Got the harness. Got some RCAs in here already, but we're not gonna use those for now. Don't know what's in the trunk yet, but I'm sure there's nothing. I'm sure it's empty. Bolt. They didn't have a big system in here anyways. Here we go. I'm not using those or those. Okay. I got the black touching right there. We got the voltmeter right there. It's reading at zeros. We touch this one right here. Let's get a good grip on it. We got. Let me get a good grip. Okay, ahí está, 11.9. Es como decir 12 volts. Okay. So el red está good. Okay.
¿Cuál?
Era el rojo.
¿El rojo este?
So ahora calamos el yellow.
¿El amarillo?
No,
No, el mismo tengo ya.
Déjalo en el black. Tú déjalo en el black. Okay. Ahí está. Okay. 12. Ahí está. 12. So the yellow is. Y si lo irá, sácalo la llave. Take out the key. Hasta afuera. Okay. Ahí está el yellow. Y todavía está 12. ¿Verdad? Todavía está 12. Okay. Y si lo pongo en el rojo. Nothing. You see? It's good. Porque cuando está el rojo, el red, off, que la key está off, afuera, debe estar en zeros. That's good. Good, good. Okay. Okay. That little car just gave me an idea. So let me see if we start right about there. Okay, it's about 2 inches by about 1.5 inches. Let's see if it fits in this car. Okay, back in the car. Here we go. We said about 2 inches. Whoa, that thing is, it's a big hole. We got 1, 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Alright, and then we got 1, almost 2. So it's 1 3/4 right there. 1 3/4. It's overkill. Glue it from the back to the front. Oh yeah, sweet. Yes, I know you guys are gonna murder me. I tried to cause as less resistance as possible. I first came up on the wires onto each other, then twisted them onto each other a little bit, but straight, lengthened out, trying to keep them as close as possible. Then over here I taped one up already. And in case if you didn't get to see how I peeled the wires, I got this little guy. I could do this. That's one hand friendly. Guess not. Wait, I got it backwards, that's why. Put it in there. Let me hold it down. Okay. And then after that, let me get a good focus. That's it. Peels the wire. I suck. Okay. So we got the speaker hooked up down here. A little test speaker next to the old box opener. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and try out this radio. We're checking speaker by speaker. A ver, échale la llave. Turn it aquí. We got some Spanish music. Here we got power. Okay. Apágalo. It's probably too dark to see. We're running at the park. Eddie's trying to leave me behind. Not if I can help it. Oh, yeah. Alright, so we just came back from running at the park, and I installed the radio order for the neighbor, and I raced the finishing product. It works. He just didn't have back speakers. We left everything ready. But right now we're playing with the iTunes. So much junk. Better have a purple phone. Just cruising today. Oh wait, my bad, we're working. Feels like we're cruising. Zachary Taylor Parkway. We're out here, way out here. Our houses are protected by the good Lord and a gun. You might meet them both if you show up here unwelcome, son.